Hello guys, this is Fadi, and in this tutorial I will show you how to perform a solar study in Revit. So as you see here, I have a building, and also I have some shadows here because I am activating this icon, which is shadows on and off. But actually this one is related to the default sun in Revit, which is lighting in the sun setting. But if we have to perform a realistic solar study in Revit, we have to do the following. First of all, we have to go to the sun bath and sun setting here, and as you see, I have still, single day, multi-day, and lighting. And if I want to perform a solar study or see the shadows in our project, maybe I can choose a still with date and time. Maybe you can change this at this date and at this time. When I apply, this is the shadow. And if I turn on the sun bath, you can see that the sun here is representing the time with the date that we give in the sun setting. And if we change this position, the shadow will change. So how we can do that along a single day? For example, we can go now to sun setting and choose single day, and we can also click here from sunrise to sunset at this date and apply. And as you see here, the shades will be dark because we are now at the sunrise here at 5:57 a.m. So in order to see a solar study, we can go now to File, Export, and I am going to go here in Images and Animation, and we have here a solar study. So if I click on it, I will have this window, and this window I will leave this to all frame. Maybe we can take one frame every second. You can choose hidden line shading and any visual style you want. And once you're done with this, you can click OK. You can have now where you have to save your file, which is AVI. Let's say this means it is a movie. I will leave it in document and see what we will have. Also, you can have the opportunity to choose any of these. Maybe I can have full frame and click OK. And as you see here, we have a study that the sun is coming and from sunrise to sunset. This is too much for this video. This is a quick tutorial to show you how to perform a solar study in Revit. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.